In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved passwords in Chrome. If you've ever saved a login in Chrome and later decided you no longer want the browser to store it, this is a simple process. Removing saved passwords can be helpful if you're using a shared computer, updating old login information, or just cleaning up your saved credentials for better privacy and security. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main browser options and settings. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can manage everything from privacy controls to saved login details. If you haven't visited this area before, don't worry. The next part is straightforward. On the left sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords, then choose Google Password Manager. This is the section where Chrome stores and organizes saved usernames and passwords for websites you've logged into before. It's useful to know that this area may contain multiple saved entries, especially if you've used Chrome for a long time or across several accounts. Once you're in Google Password Manager, look under the Saved Passwords list and find the website you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you have similar logins saved for different pages or services. After you find the right website entry, click on it. Chrome will then ask you to verify your identity by entering your computer or device password or PIN. This security check is there to protect your saved passwords and make sure only you can access or remove them. If you're recording this process or sharing your screen, be careful not to expose any private information while completing verification. Once you've confirmed your identity, you'll see the saved login details for that website. Click Delete next to the saved username and password you want to remove. After that, the password will no longer be stored in Chrome for that site. And that's it. The saved password has been removed. If you visit that website again, Chrome may ask whether you want to save the password the next time you log in. So keep that in mind if you're trying to avoid storing it again. This is a quick but useful way to stay in control of your saved logins and keep your browser data organized.